Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 重 or 重. Step by step, I will first write it in standard script, then following 2 words and 1 sentence. Let's write. This is a polyphone. "重" means heavy. 重 it means to repeat. Again. For example, 重要重要 important. 重复 to repeat. Now check this sentence. Repeat important things 3 times. Repeat important things 3 times. "重要的事情重复3遍。重要的事情重复3遍 3 times. 重要的事情事情 important things 重复3遍。重要的事情重复3遍。Repeat important things 3 times. My casual handwriting on the character 重 or 重。重 heavy, 重 to repeat again. 重要 important, 重复 to repeat. Repeat important things 3 times. 重要的事情重复3遍。Please comment any sentence with 重 or 从。I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.